Hi there, Bobby here. This presentation is an excerpt of my human resource management training. Attracting and retaining talent has become the greatest challenge for a recruitment manager of any organization, especially the big ones. A recruitment manager of HR must be good in his or her recruitment strategies, given the fact that stiff competition in the labor market is happening these days. It is imperative that HR is able to come up with solutions and able to formulate the talent or skill gap analysis that would be the ideal approach in the search for talent attraction strategies. And this would be the basis of ensuring passive and active job seekers recruitment and selection is carried out the best way possible. I would like to discuss about the recruitment strategy the talent seeking manager should employ. It will start from a job vacancy request by the line manager. It is important that the job is available in the company policy, which means it has been included and approved in the organizational structure, and that the job description has been written and both have gone through the job evaluation and consequently approved by the CEO. It would also mean that the job grade has been assigned to the job, thus also include in the pay structure. The first thing to do is consider recruiting talent from internal considerations. That is, internal recruitment should be conducted initially. The talent sought could be available within the organization. The process in internal recruitment would include advertising the job opportunity internally by email or by other means. The line manager of potential candidates who would submit the job application along with CV should nominate the potential candidate under his area of responsibility. The candidate can also be selected from the pool of potential talent coming from the succession planning strategy of human resource management. A short list of a maximum of the top three candidates should be scheduled for interview and assessment. Then hire the right person for the job. If internal consideration was not successful, then that would be the time the recruitment will go for external recruitment. Use of social media will be one good recruitment strategy as many job seekers, especially the active ones, are very much into social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and others. Companies are putting in place job career opportunities in their website portal. Anyone can upload CVs in these portals. Employers are also making use of employer referral program. This would be a great strategy in recruiting the right person for the job in terms of the character or personality of the candidate, as the employee giving referral would vouch for the character of the person. Outsourcing the search for the talent by hiring headhunter proved to be a good strategy as well. Only the rate of headhunter is expensive. However, headhunters are quite familiar or expert when it comes to finding the right candidate. Also, the company will not pay the headhunter unless the company successfully hired the candidate endorsed by the headhunter himself. Uploading CVs on some company career portals is also a good idea as the candidate can submit his application directly to the company HR. Some HR organization or training association during their conference and expositions are also giving opportunities by allowing companies to accept job application during the time of exposition. Any candidate can just drop their CVs into some drop boxes, would either be in printed copies or flash drive memory. Recruiting companies are also sponsoring some students. The student will be admitted into the company's training program upon graduation of the pre-selected student. The best external recruitment strategy, especially overseas recruitment, is carried out via manpower recruitment agencies, although this strategy would be such expensive for the company. In any case, Manpower agencies prove to be the best way in recruitment and shortlisting, as these agencies are really expert in finding and screening potential candidates. That's it for now. Thanks.